I am excited to turn my photos into big wall art with the Tyvok K1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lancez le Tyvok K1.
Familia, ¿qué tal? Nada, me paso por aquí para avisaros que la marca Tyvok va a sacar una grabadora láser cortadora, que es la K1, que es súper grande, y estoy súper emocionado porque me quiero hacer con una.
Cet été, j'ai découvert la marque Tyvok et pour le septembre, ils font le...
Can't wait to get my hands on the new Tyvok K1 100 watt. Let's get it.
Hi, this is Gary Engelke from Houston, Texas. I just want to congratulate Tyvok on their new K1 CO₂ laser, which
I'm a proponent of Tyvok products that have been successful for me, and as you can see, you can do things that other people can't do.
That's what Tyvok's approach with his K1 model caught my attention. Laser diode cutters and engraver have the limitation. And of course, there are also other CO₂ lasers available at very affordable prices, but the problem is that they take too much space and are sometimes difficult to use. Tyvok has therefore sought to solve this problem by developing the K1. Congratulations Tyvok on launching such breakthrough product, and best wishes for the launch of the